Hey, yeah, you have always wanted to animate like this, right? What if I told you this dance animation was made on the phone with free images? If you love animation, follow and subscribe now, because I post free tutorials every week. Alright, let me show you how I made this Rico animation dance. So go to Play Store and download FlipaClip, then open it and then click on this plus icon in order to create a new project. Now name your project Rico Dancing Animation. Click on done. Then you have to import a background, so click on that background icon over there to import a background. I've already designed the background I will be using. Okay, it's a Rico background. Okay, I used the Rico Cartoons app to design this background. Okay, then once you import the background, scale it up to so that the object will be in the center of the background. Then click on that arrow over there to import the background. Now we are going to set up the canvas size. Because of this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to this first one you are seeing. So this one, YouTube 1080p, because that is the landscape video aspect ratio for YouTube. Then I'll go back by clicking on that arrow over there to go back. Now we are almost done. Then click on create project in order for us to start this tutorial. Okay, then now we are on the interface of FlipaClip. The next thing is you have to start importing your character. So click on that three dots at the top, then go to add image so that we can import our Rico character. So click on add image. Okay, then I already import this Rico character. Then I have to scale it up for the character to match the screen. Okay, so I will scale it up right now. Alright, so I've already imported the Rico character into FlipaClip. By the way, I created this Rico character using a free app called the Rico Cartoons app. If you want to get the same free app I use and download this Rico character animation pack, check the link in the description of this video to join my Patreon membership. Once you join my Patreon membership, you will get access to download my 2D Rico Cartoons animation assets, which includes the app, the project file of this character, and other characters, background and object already designed for animation. Now let's animate this. So before you start animation, you need to place your character at the center of the screen. Okay, so you need to keep the character on one layer first, okay, before you start adding a new character. So now I'm going to add the second image now. So this second image I'm going to add now, you see the onion skin is turned on. So the onion skin help me to see the previous frame, so that by the time I scale this character up, I'll be able to get the same exact position of the first image. But I'm focusing more on the leg. Okay, any animation you are doing, ensure that the leg stand on the ground. Okay, ensure that your leg stand on the ground. It should not be moving. The body can move, the stomach, the head can move, but you see this leg, they are supposed to be fixed. They are fixed on the ground, so they are not meant to move. So you see those places I circle now. During your own animation, ensure that your frame 1 and frame 2, the leg are standing on the same position. That will make you to achieve a very smooth animation. I hope you are understanding. You can see that the poses that we are using here is just basically the ones needed for dancing. Okay, and when animating, you need to time your animation, because if you have a slower frame, okay, you have a smooth animation, but if you have a fast frame, you have a very energetic dance movement. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the third image now. So I'll click on that add image icon over there for me to add the next image. Okay, so I will select the image I want to do. You can see that I'm doing pose to pose animation. Okay, I'm doing pose to pose animation because of all the dancing movement, all the poses. I already got the images available, so I'm just adding the in-betweens, to make the animation smooth. And this thing works very well if you are into 2D animation. Frame by frame, pose to pose is exactly what you need. And also we apply squash and stretch a little bit. A quick reminder, if this tutorial is helping you, please like this video so that more people can see it. And if you don't want to miss free animation like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow this page. I post new tutorials every week, okay, and you are going to love what is coming next. All right, let's continue. So I'll keep on adjusting the character movement like this in order for me to get a very smooth animation. Now you see that this animation I'm doing now is just basically I'm just adjusting the movement, okay. But if you want to like learn how to create animation moves, how to design cartoon characters, how to add actions, okay, I recommend you join my animation class. So in my animation class I will teach you privately, step by step, okay. Even if you are using a phone or laptop, okay, I will show you how to create your own animation content. So use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and contact me about my animation class, okay. Or you can drop a comment, I'm interested, and I will send you the link to join my animation class. So I'm going to click on that plus icon for me to add the next frame. So in this next frame now, I'm basically going to add a new dance pose. So in animation, what you need is for you to gather up enough poses, okay. Once you have your poses right, just be adding the poses and then ensure that all of them, the legs stand in the same position. That is how you get a very smooth animation. So as you add the image, then use your lasso tool to kind of scale it up. You see, I use my lasso tool to scale the character up, and you can see that in the head we added squash and stretch. So as you animate, always add different animation principles: squash and stretch, exaggeration, anticipation, solid drawing. So all these things is what makes your animation come to life. So but everything you are doing, make sure that the character stand on the same position. So if you do this thing like this, you will achieve a very smooth animation. So when you want to animate, study the movement. You see that when the hand move, the head also follows the body. So the head is kind of following through the body movement, okay. And your animation, just maybe 5 frames is okay. Then you will loop the animation, okay, because if you loop your animation, your character will continue to dance without much work again. So looping animation is a very a smart way for animation. So you apply follow through to the hand and the head of your character, and also the body. As the character move in different position, the head is doing follow through, then add some bit of natural movement to the hand, okay, so that the animation will feel more smooth and fluid. And you see how I hang the hand up on the air. So I just focused on the body movement, follow through. That is how you get that natural movement, okay, so that your animation will continue and does not look robotic, okay. So now I've added the end frame. So this is the end frame. So I will use my lasso to scale the images up, okay, so to position it and make sure that the leg are in the same position. So guys, all these images you see now, I got them, it's available on my Patreon, okay. You can get all these Rico character on my Patreon so that you can start your own animation. So use the link in the comment section. So guys, you see the animation. You see how the thing is dancing, yeah. So that is how you do your dancing animation. Then if you have a music, then click on that music icon to add a music. But I don't have any music yet. Then click on that 3 dots at the top. Let us export this video, okay. So guys, we are going to export this video right now. So click on make movie in order for us to export the video. You see that my FlipaClip is a premium version. They are not showing watermark. So all my students, once you join my animation class, you get this app for free for your phone animation, okay. Then at this point, we are going to click on make movie in order for us to export the video. So guys, we are done exporting the video. So let's play the video and see the magic. Now look at this. From a simple free images to a full Rico dance animation, okay. So you can learn this exact process I use, okay. If you want to get access to everything I use, okay, it's available on my Patreon, okay. So my Patreon membership gives you downloadable 2D Rico cartoons animation assets, this Rico character project file, the Rico cartoons app, other Rico characters, background, and objects you can use for your own animation videos. So the link to join my Patreon is in the description. Okay, and if you want to go deeper, learn animation skills, I have a 2D animation class. Okay, I teach you one-on-one using either your smartphone or laptop, showing you how to create cartoon characters, animate full videos, okay, using free apps and software. Okay, most importantly, how to monetize your content. To join the class, use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and contact me from there. Okay, or just drop a comment, I'm interested, I will send you the link. Okay, if you want to keep learning about Rico animation, I have already done over 30 Rico animation tutorials on this channel, so use the link in the description of this video to watch my full Rico animation tutorial playlist. Okay, and don't miss the last one I posted. Before you move on, like the video, follow the page, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with someone who want to learn animation. Now, I want to hear from you. What topic should I teach in my next tutorial? Comment below. Okay, don't stop here. So click the next Rico animation tutorial in the playlist and keep building your animation skills.